Hey everybody, today we're going to open 3 5-packs of Shopkins from Season 4. We're also going to open 5 hidden baskets. Each of these baskets have 2 little Shopkins inside. Let's see what we find. Alright, let's take a look at our first 5-pack. In this 5-pack we got Cindy Bun. Oh, she's so cute and yummy. She has yummy pink frosting on top. Over here, she has something in her little hand that is yellow. Let's give her a turn. Back here, all of her frosting is dripping off. She looks so delicious. Next up is Dinky Drink. This cute little kitten is a drink. On top of the drink are his little ears and his yellow straw that is just bursting out. It is so cool. Back here, we can find his tail. He is such a pretty purple. Next up is Prickles. Prickles has a cute little purple flower up on top. He's a sharp little cactus. He looks like so much fun to play with. Next up is June Balloon. What a cute little balloon. She is pink and yellow and has the most adorable smile. Up top, you can see her cute little string. She's just so blown up. Next up is our hidden Shopkins. Let's see what we found. In this one, we found a TV. What a cute little TV. He's ready to be watched with his awesome smile. Let's give him a turn. Back here, he has all of his components. He's ready to be plugged in and watched. See you later, TV. Let's see what the next 5-pack has. All right, let's see what came in this 5-pack. First up, we have Millie Mushroom. What a cute little mushroom. She has yellow and a pink top with 3 little freckles on each side of her smile. She is one happy mushroom. Next, we have Maple Syrup. This cute little purple petkins has a maple leaf on top and pink ears to boot. Back here, we have the little tail sticking out. There's a little handle to pour the syrup. What a cute little syrup bottle. Next up is Minty. Minty is a cute little plant. She's purple and green, and she just has the most adorable smile. Back here you can see inside of her pot has these cute little balls inside. She looks so happy. Next up is Jules. Oh, look, she's giving us a wink. And she has this pretty gold charm on top. What a pretty white color she is. Next, we have our hidden Shopkin. Let's see what's inside. Oh, look at the find we made. This cute little shiny tennis ball. She has 2 big eyes. And back here you can see all the lines just like a real tennis ball. She is covered in so much glitter. What an awesome find we made today. All right, let's take a look at our last 5-pack. First, we have Sharon Shoe. She is a cute little shoe with a purple inside, a white strap, and a blue outside. Back here, she has a little S, just like the Shopkins symbol. She's pretty cool. Down here, we have 2 white hearts. Next, we have Flushes. Flushes is a cute little toilet. She has her eyes closed. Up here you can see inside, and we have some toilet paper on top. Over here it looks like she's holding her brush. Back here we have some more of the toilet. She looks so lifelike. Next up is Big Topping. She is red with some yummy topping leaking out, and she has blue ears. What a cute little nose she has. Back here she has her tail, just like all of our other petkins. Last up is Marty Party Hat. Oh, she has her eyes closed because she's blowing so hard on her little party blower. Up here she has a purple ribbon going all the way around with a pink little pom-pom on top. What a cute little party hat. Last up is our hidden Shopkin. Let's see what we find. Look at this one. It's a belt. She is so shimmery, and she has her eyes closed. She's a pretty blue and green. Right here she has a little dog bone on her tag. Over here is her buckle. What a nice little Shopkin we found today. Up next, we're going to take a look at our little baskets and see what's in those. Next, we're going to open our 5 baskets. First, we're going to start with this cute pink basket. Let's see what's inside. In this first bag, we have a drink. Oh, she's a cute little smoothie giving us a wink. It looks like she has a strawberry on top and the little leaf sticking out of it too, with 2 little straws. You can see cute little teeth over here too. What a cute little find. Let's see what's in the next bag. In this one, we found some bread. He's a cute little toast with a big open mouth. He looks so surprised. Next, we're going to open this white basket. Let's see what's inside. In our first hidden bag, we have a cute little pie. Over here, it looks like he's a Petkins. You can see his cute little tail back here. Up on top, he has some cherries, and he's pink all over. What a yummy looking pie. Let's open the next bag. This looks like a cute little peach with some freckles on by her smile. She has her mouth open. She's yellow and pink. Up top, you can see her cute little leaf and stem. What a sweet little peach. Let's see what's in the next basket. In our first bag, we have fish flakes. Like you can see all the little fish food coming out with her cute little gills sticking out to the side. She is yellow and green, and back here you can see one of her fins. In our next bag, we have Prickles. This Prickles has a pink flower and a cute little brown bottom. What a cute Prickles. On to our pink basket. I wonder what's in this one. We found a dog bone. She is so cute. Look, she has pink up on top and she has the most adorable smile. She has a little tail back here too. What a cute dog bone. And this one, we have a donut with blue frosting on top. What a cute donut. Over here you can see the frosting on the side, just like a real donut. Pretty cool. Now we're on our very last basket. Let's see what's inside. In this bag, we have, ooh, he's pretty cool. He's shimmery, and it looks like he might be a chair. I'm not quite sure. His eyes are covered by this yellow mask. He's very purple and shiny. What a cute Shopkin. Now for our very last bag. We found Jules. This Jules is silver with pink and a silver charm. What a cute little Jules. Thank you for watching us open all of these Shopkins today. I hope you had fun. Come see us again.